Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm ready to show you once again how the new AI-powered trading bot works. We'll try to execute a few solid trades depending on how the bot analyzes the market. Let's jump straight into it with the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. The bot gives a buy signal and I react immediately. It's a trend-aligned entry to the upside, and I believe we can push further to new highs. Make sure to watch this video until the end to really understand whether this trading bot is worth using and what kind of results it can deliver for you. The first trade closes in profit, and on the currency market, that's always a good sign. Today, I'll be trading both the OTC market and the Forex market with a 3-minute expiration. Market conditions are favorable right now, and my main objective is to avoid consolidation phases. Let's move on to the next currency pair, the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I find it in the bot, set the expiration to 3 minutes, and select the first AI model. The bot analyzes the market and gives a buy signal. I react immediately, and we can already see that this may be the right decision as the trend is clearly bullish. Let's see how this setup plays out. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now let's get back to the video. The trade closes in profit, and that's the second win in a row. So far, everything is going smoothly, even on the OTC market. But let's not stop here. Let's move on and pick another asset. All right, guys, let's look for another currency pair. Overall, the market is offering plenty of solid setups right now. Let's stop at the Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. As always, the process is extremely simple, and honestly, even easier than before. Everything is intuitive. The interface is very user-friendly. The bot shows a sell entry, and I react to it. We have a clear downtrend, and price is trading near local highs. I'm expecting a fairly smooth move in my favor here. Let's see how this trade plays out. The trade played out perfectly, and that's already a solid result, one we could easily stop on. But the trading session isn't over yet, so I'm not planning to stop here. Guys, let's move on and look for the next pair that can deliver the same kind of outcome. There's a solid setup on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. At least, I like how it looks. I find the pair in the bot, and from here, everything follows the usual routine. Let's wait for the bot's signal. It generates a sell entry, so I enter the market. Now let's see how this trade closes. As you can see, guys, the only additional indicator I'm using is the fractal, set to a period of 3. The entire market analysis is handled by the trading bot. Let's see where this leads. And in this situation, we're making money in the market once again. Guys, this is great. What's even better is that I'm spending an absolute minimum of time. I simply focus on assets that are not stuck in consolidation. The result is excellent, but we're not stopping here. Let's move straight on to the next asset. Let's test the bot on the Forex pair Euro versus the Australian dollar. Just a reminder, I'm using a 3-minute expiration in this case, and as you can see, it's been delivering very solid results so far. The bot gives a sell signal, and I enter the market. The setup looks interesting. We've just seen a break to new lows. Now let's calmly manage the trade because this situation is really a 50-50 scenario. Still, I'm curious to see how it closes. The trade closes at a loss, but that happens. In this case, I honestly think the expiration time was too short. A 5-minute expiration would have worked better here. Still, there's no reason to stop. Let's look for another setup and place a cover trade. All right, let's stop on the Forex pair British pound versus the Japanese yen. I find it in the assets list, set the expiration to 3 minutes, and select the first AI model. We wait briefly, and the bot gives a sell entry. Now, let's take a closer and more detailed look at this asset. To be honest, it's difficult to analyze properly because we had the weekend just before this, so there isn't much fresh data for a full assessment. That's why I'm going to trust the bot here and see how this trade plays out. I'm a bit nervous since the position size is $1,000. Yes, the trade closes in profit, and that's an incredible result. In such a short amount of time, I'll keep testing this trading bot and continue making profits with it because it's showing excellent performance. Make sure you take advantage of these tools. Wishing you great earnings and see you in the next session. Bye for now.